Hello and welcome back to the workbench. We have the MN99S version 2 on the bench. I've got all the parts here. I haven't seen a video on how to assemble this and put all the parts on because I haven't really looked. But I thought I would, put one together for you. So here we go. Let's assemble our Defender 90 from MN Models. Taking a look at the instructions. They are saying to do all of these things, and if you look at it, they have the bottom off of it. I don't think we're going to need to take the tires or anything off of it, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. We should have all the parts here, and what are you going to need? Well, you're probably going to need some side snips. You don't have to get the fancy ones like these, but you can get, cheapy ones on the internet. They'll work just fine. And yeah, let's throw this stuff together, shall we? I guess we will start with, let's start with the bumper. So the bumper is going to attach right here on these two spots. See, it attaches like so. And it's going to require 2 of the screws that are in here. It does come with a screwdriver. I'm not going to use that screwdriver. I'm going to use my own screwdriver because I have a top-notch screwdriver and it does that, and it's magnetized. So let's get this at an angle. You can see it. There we go. Doesn't have to be tight, it just has to be snug. There we go. That is in. Let's look at the stuff. This is the snorkel, so it just slides in up there. Looks like all this stuff just pushes on there, so that is good. I'm going to put these 2 parts on, which go here and here. Go grab a fingernail file from your favorite person. And make sure you file those nice, because you will see if you don't after you put it in. You'll see the little extra nubbins. It won't look as good. Alright, so this one goes here. Put them in till they click. There we go. Alright, what's next? We have a little thingamabobber. Well, they're all little thingabobbers. I'm going to do this piece right here. And that looks to be, there's 2 of those. Those look to be the hood. I think those are I think these are what hold the hood on. So we'll put those on. I think they'll look better than the other. Oh, I think that is for, yeah, this piece is this piece. Okay, yeah, those are the right ones. Voila. Okay, now we will put on the wipers. Okay. And those will go on like so. Yes. They're a little snug, aren't they? Alright, I'm going to use the bottom of the screwdriver here. Try to push these in. There we go. That took some doing. Alright, let's get these mirrors on. Although there is a sticker for the mirrors. So I want to take a look at that. There's the mirrors. Here's the parts. I want to see if there's a thing that goes in there, and it doesn't look like it. So let's get the stickers. I don't think these are cut. Well, they are cut, but they're cut horribly. Oh, look at that. All right, the more you know. I'm going to have to cut those out. Okay, those are all cut out. Now we'll get the knife. There we go. Don't press down too hard on those. Okay, I'm going to use the back side of the knife. These are going to go, oh, they go up like so. Okay, so they go up. And this is another candidate for the back of the screwdriver. Maybe the front of the screwdriver. There we go. Voila. If this goes back into place, I just bent it back. If it doesn't want to bend or goes back over time, use a hairdryer to get the plastic warm, and then you can bend it. Warm, not hot. All right, let's get the ladder on there. Let's check it for, yep, we're good. That ladder goes where? It goes, oh, it goes like this. And then, okay, so the ladder has some hook ends right there. Let's hook in like that. And then go in there. Just like that. Okay. And we have door handles to do. Let's get some of those. Our handles on there. Oh, looks good. Alright, what else is on the tree? Here's the tree. Oh, we have the license plate. Simulated license plate. That's going to go right here. Fabulous. And then we need the gas cap thing. I believe is this. Okay. And this has a large and a small. And there is a large and a small hole, so make sure you get them lined up right. Oh, baby. There we go. Nice. Now, I don't know which light is which. So, we're going to have to turn this thing on and see which light is which. But before we do that, let's check the tree. I got that. Okay, these are all extra. So you have an extra one of each, just about each thing. That's kind of cool, huh? All right, the lights. I don't know which lights are which. And I don't think this shows me. It just has them in clear, so that doesn't help. So let's get this thing turned on. We'll see if I have enough battery to turn the lights on. Yes, I do. Alright, so those are the reds. Let's do those first. And those look to be the large ones. So instead of trying to remember, just do the ones you see first. Alright. Those are here. These are not going in very well. I think these might pop up. No, they're in. Alright, so let's... This battery is not charged very much. Alright, so those are the reverse lights. These are the blinkers. And I don't think they gave us clear lenses. That would have been cool if they gave us clear lenses, huh? They didn't. Or at least I didn't get them. Oh, these must be the turn signals for the side. Okay. Make it easy. There we go. One and two. All right. There we go. We have all of the plastic pieces installed except for these two things, and those should be clear in my opinion, but they didn't give me any clears. They gave me reds, and yeah, they gave me red ones. So that's a bummer. What am I going to do with that? Well, I'm going to put the red ones on because it just looks funky without them. But they're wrong. They should be clear. Hold this while I push these in real good. There we go. Alright, there we go. That is how you assemble all the parts onto your MN99 or MN99 version 2. Looks like they have another hole right here for another snorkel if you wanted another snorkel. Why? That hole shouldn't be there. So you know what? We're going to print out an aerial for that, an antenna. So stay tuned for that. I'll show you how to design it inside of the Libre CAD. You can use any of the modeling software you want, but I'm going to show you how to make that and put a piece of wire in there to make it look like an antenna or an aerial. There we go. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful and insightful and all of those fulls. And yeah, thanks for watching. And I hope you get yours assembled and watch the other videos where I turn this thing into a much better trail truck and crawler.